The ECCAY educational contents are freely stored in a multilingual, interactive online platform accessible via the project website, ECCAY.eu. Where the ECCAY products are grouped into two clear sections, the ECCAY training materials and the ECCAY resources. The ECCAY training materials section, in fact, is the learning space, where professionals working with young people at risk of social exclusion can access learning materials in order to gain knowledge and skills to apply innovative tools with youth and the solution-focused approach in particular. The 6 units follow the structure of the ECCAY curriculum and offer the users, professionals working with youth, training content that supports them in building innovative, solution-focused mindset that lead to new ideas in their everyday work, helping them develop meaningful relationships with their clients. You can choose any of the units, but it makes sense if you explore their content for the first time in the logical order they are presented here. Each of the units is designed so to offer a sort of structured and engaging learning experience for the user, professionals working with youth, providing a brief summary of the unit content. Theoretical background related to the themes in focus. Exercises that can be implemented within the ECCAY training sessions in order to build the solution-focused mindset. Learning questions which trigger reflection along the learning process. The ECCAY Resources section includes a wide collection of ECCAY exercises jointly developed by the ECCAY Partnership. To offer a better user experience, a search function, based on a set of predefined keywords identified by the ECCAY Partnership, is making easier for the user to find the right exercises for a specific coaching session. Each of the ECCAY exercises is described in detail, giving specific information about the following. The full content of the exercise can be visualized by selecting the toggle all option or printed in a PDF file. In order to make the user's learning experience as smooth as possible, a connection between the two sections ECCAY training materials and ECCAY resources has been created. Whenever the user is accessing the exercises drop-down menu point in any of the units, he or she has the possibility to jump directly to the resources section for consulting other unit-related exercises. The ECCAY resources can support professionals helping young people in using in practice the solution-focused knowledge they have just acquired. The ECCAY educational content is accessible in 5 languages: English, German, Italian, Spanish and Romanian. Enjoy the ECCAY learning experience.